Audi is celebrating the 25th anniversary of the original RS4 with a special version before the current model gets replaced. The new Audi RS4 Avant Edition 25 years has an upgraded version of the 2.9-liter V6 engine, which now makes 20 horsepower more compared to the standard model, resulting in a total output of 470 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. Thanks to an improved Torsen differential and new mapping for the 8-speed automatic gearbox, the 0 to 100 km/h sprint takes 3.7 seconds and the top speed is now 300 km/h. Aside from the power boost, the special edition comes standard with manually adjustable coilovers, bringing it closer to the ground by 10 or 20 mm. The anniversary special edition will be produced in 250 units, all reserved for European markets. Prices are starting from 140,000 euros. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!